In this slide, we're going to describe 4 legislative factors that influence health and safety in sport. The first one we're going to start off with is Health and Safety Work Act 1974, HSE for short. The HSE is the UK government body responsible for enforcing health and safety at work legislation. The HSE also plays a major role in producing health and safety issues and guidance on relevant legislation. The role of enforcement is split between HSE and local authorities depending on the business sector. The HSE tries to conduct safe operation and maintenance of the working environment, plant and systems. It also tries to conduct maintenance of safe access and egress to the workplace, safe use, handling and storage of dangerous substances, adequate training of staff to ensure health and safety, and adequate welfare positions for staff at work. The second one we're going to talk about is RIDDLE. And RIDDLE is the Reporting of Injuries, Diseases and Dangerous Occurrences Regulations Act 2013. These regulations require employees, the self-employed and those in control of premises to report specified workplace incidents. This guidance will help clarify how RIDDLE applies to the health and social care sector and whether certain types of incidents are reportable. The third one we're going to talk about is COSH 2002, and COSH is a law that requires employees to control substances that are hazardous to health and includes nanomaterials. You can prevent or reduce workers' exposure to hazardous substances by finding out what the health hazards are, deciding how to prevent harm to health, providing control to reduce harm to health, making sure they are used, keeping all control measures in a good working order, providing information, instruction and training for employees and others, providing monitoring and health surveillance in appropriate cases, or planning for emergencies. The last one we're going to talk about is the First Aid Regulations Act 1981. In the event of injury or sudden illness, failure to provide first aid could result in a casualty's death. The employer should ensure that an employee who is injured or taken ill at work receives immediate attention. HSE will also prosecute in cases where there is a significant risk, a disregard for established standards or persistent poor compliance with the law. The Health and Safety Regulations Act 1981 requires employees to provide adequate and appropriate equipment, facilities and personnel to ensure their employees receive immediate attention if they are injured or taken ill at work.